Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to add voice mode Discord mobile. So let's start. So first you have to go to your settings on Discord and then search the voice and video section like this picture here, and then let's go to step setup. So you have to go to Microsoft Voice, and as you can see it says voice, and you can change if you prefer. You can go to click there, set your headphones and headset or your pod device. So you have to disable input sensitivity and at least 70 dp, so you can click there and then you can scroll down and go to the 70. Okay, then set noise suppression node, you can click on none. And well, that is automatic standards for voice mode voices on Discord, so you can start changing it. As you can see, it's very easy to do it, guys, so I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumb up to this video.